Today I'm going to show you how to deposit cash and checks using our new ITM. I'm going to touch the screen to begin, insert my Park City debit card, go ahead and enter my PIN. I don't need to see my available balances today. Gives me the option of everything I'm able to do, but today I'm going to deposit. Gives me a couple different options. Today I have cash and check. You can select the accounts you want to deposit into. It can be up to 3 accounts. Today I'm just going to do my savings. Once I have everything selected, I hit continue. I'm going to go ahead and insert my cash. You're going to insert it kind of at this angle right here at the bottom of the bucket. Go ahead and count the cash for me. If there's any bills that it cannot accept, like this really worn out one or this one with a hole in the middle, it'll give it back. And next we can enter in our checks. So we're going to go ahead and have them face up and enter them in. It's reading the checks and then it'll tell me what I deposited. So I have $9 in cash and then I have the 5 checks. I'll confirm that everything looks okay. You can toggle down the list over here. If I want to insert more cash or checks, I can do that here. Otherwise, I hit continue. It's going to give me a little disclosure. After I read that, I can answer the question. And then I don't need cash back today. Once the deposit is complete, it'll ask me about my receipts. Today I don't need one. And then I don't need to complete another transaction. It'll have me take my card and I'm done.